with two hands. Well, I hope to God I love you harder. I hope to God I love you longer. If only I could live forever. If only I could hold you longer.
Oh yeah, going woohoo with two heads. Coleman Hill on Red FM, hanging out with Gavin and Jeremy on the Red Jam. Now today, Jeremy and I are a little bit of opposite ends because Jeremy read this article about this woman who changed everything about her from her hair to her face to her internal beliefs for her future husband. However, I think that some change is, allowable. And Jeremy here thinks that it's completely a no-no. Nick, tell us, would you change?
It depends. I mean, if it's a really bad habit, like maybe if you drink too much or you indulge in unhealthy activities and she wants to change for better, then maybe I'll consider that. But for simple stuff like going out with your friends, I don't think so. I think it should be unfair.
Okay, let me give another example. Let's say you like a certain shirt that you always wear. However, your girlfriend does not like it and she doesn't want you to wear the shirt anymore. It's your favorite shirt. It's the shirt that's given you so much hope and comfort over the time. Would you not wear the shirt anymore?
No, I'll still wear the shirt.
You still wear the shirt?
Yep, I will.
That's right. You know why? Because you're a real man, Nicholas. Unlike Gavin J here, who would throw the shirt that he wears on the floor because a woman asked him to. No, I would still keep the shirt, for, other purposes, like, role-playing or something. See, Gavin? Well, it doesn't matter because changing a shirt will let me be with this person. I would do it.
Manchester United jersey. Mm-hmm. Your wife says, Gavin, no more Man U jerseys when you go out and meet because it's so uncool. Can you dress better? How?
I'll wear it during games, lah. I mean, when I'm not with her, other times I'll wear a normal shirt, lah, like salmon, nice coloured shirt, maybe a tight-fitting shirt. But if she wants me to wear a tight-fitting shirt, I would seriously reconsider her taste, lah.
Alright, so give us a call, 03-7728-1049. Let us know, would you or would you not change for your partner on Red FM?
We've got the bait. 30,000 ringgit. We want you to be the master and win a share. 200 ringgit for every round, with the money snowballing until someone takes it away. For bonus rounds, an additional 500 ringgit in the money pot. We'll even give you a hand by dropping clues on fb.red.fm. Get all the info you need. Come play with us. Your foreplay details at red.fm.
TBM is celebrating its 70th anniversary.
I heard that it's TBM's grand opening of the 7th outlet too.
That's right. They're having a double celebration from 22nd and 23rd August 2015 at Tropicana City Mall.
There are lots of gifts to give away and special promotions for electrical home appliances at 777 ringgit. 77 ringgit. 7 ringgit.
Awesome!